Hey Patriots, today we are going to make a QR code that will link to our audio file. So as you can see, I am in a website called the QRCodeGenerator.com. I need to get my link though, so I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. I'm going to find what I used and I'm going to find the file that I need. I'm going to click here on the three dots and go to share. Okay, now remember you want to have that setting so that anyone with the link can view it or hear it. So you're going to copy the link and then you're just going to go right back to the QR code generator. You are going to paste the link right there. And then you are going to have your QR code. What you're going to want to do is download your QR code. So you're going to click on it. You can give it a file name. I can call it QR code. You can call it whatever you want. It's going to be in a PNG format, which is a format that is an image. You're going to download it. It goes right here to your downloads. Okay. So from there, what you're going to want to do is go back to publisher. Okay. Make sure that there's no clicking around your image of your person, because if there's clicking around an image, it'll just replace that image. It won't go on top of it. So you just want to make sure that it's a plain image. Then you go to insert, go to pictures, and it was in my downloads. So I'm going to click QR code. My QR code goes onto the screen, but I need to make it smaller, clearly. So I'm going to make it much, much smaller. Okay. And then there we go. I have my QR code. So once we print this out, people will be able to see the image and they will be able to click the QR code and hear your audio of the person that you are talking about.